Relax, boy. The length of time I'm not come up here. Come in like the yard and pop down. So want some spray. Entry here. Now go on too bad, you know. Mildred, I have to go understand, say me have to go take some time from over the yard and come back over here, you know, come take care of my things then. But boy, coming like you can't even get no time. What them people out there say? When girl good, girl good. Now what is? Me them a talk about some root rat where affect banana, you know. Only hope it not reach here, you know. Really have to come up here. Lord, in this poly so.
Come, Daddy.
Oh, go on.
There, yeah, go on.
You make it take so long for you open the door.
You know all this time you tell me to come up here. That is why I don't come up here. Daddy, it's who open the door?
They see him sitting with Lucky back.
I want to say something. What poorly mean?
Lily girl, how you do? Read my mind? Me not tell you something, top read my mind. Look here, me with deaf here, you know.
You can see and me can hear. Now you tell me say I must embrace my powers.
But at this rate, me we can see and you can hear. Then Lily girl, at this you ask me if you come up here to do? Eh? Just lay down in a bed whole day? Eh? Like the world end?
No, Daddy. Just to feel well. So, me lay down little.
A 1 week now I ain't no feel well. And I know sick, you're sick.
I never say me sick. I just not feel well. That different.
Then where you are suffer from? Heart broke or heartache?
Is why I feel away. I'm just decide say me I gonna lay down and rest my body, Daddy.
So, how long now you not see the boy?
It's a week now, I'm not hear from her, you know. She go look for destiny when I did it. And by the time me reach, she cut.
Well, at least she still do her stepmother duties.
Yeah, because she got to school a couple days ago to attend the parent-teacher meeting for me.
I guess she needs some time. She soon come around.
But say you want to see how she look cute in her little birthday sash in her uniform with her little crown. Hey, I'm gonna stop showing off now.
Let me see. Kaka. Give me a picking out and I grow again, you know. Coupon how the little girl grow.
Not true. And she had one in her halls, so.
Me have one picture into, you know. But that me come about, the boy me ask you about.
I don't know. Must be doing police work. Mass detective.
What are we? Me a chat to you. I just turn around and show me the whole of your caca, so. You know, same thing make a get up for yourself before you broke in. Patricia, you can't ask the truth. And when you get it, you go along like you know no sense, you know.
Me a woman, but sometimes we ask for the truth and we can't manage it.
And that me I say. But when me tell her, she a say,
You know how much time I ask him to tell me truth? You know how much time I hear voices and can't explain them?
But based on the kind of work where him do, him not tell you say him couldn't tell you. Eh? He didn't tell you that.
Yes, but that still don't make no sense to me.
Lord. Lily girl, when turban did that give way, it looked like you did join the line at the front. And then when you get the turban, you go on and join it again. The boy work his undercover. And I sit when could I just come and just tell you brat so. Eh? Think back in the ears? God of Christ, man.
Alright, Mr. Daddy, sir. So what make you never tell me?
You ever worry say Shepherd I go tell her at any point?
No. The man they are regional, man. One thing with him, I'm gonna split justice.
True. If you're wrong, and him not care how you feel.
Yeah, and that's why I never had to worry about him telling her.
Well, you could have never expect me to tell you that.
Why? You're my father, and if man keep secret from your pitney, you have to tell her.
That I never feel me business. And him would have to tell you that.
Even if it did hurt me.
Hurt your how?
Hurt me physically. Suppose one of the man with him do something, come back, come do me something.
You must say mad. And me not see that. Me would have to see that. And them would have just fix them business.
Say that help me with that. But you
Patricia Ferguson. Me not there to interfere in every part of your personal life. Me will do my best to save you from physical harm. But me can't save you from heartache. That you have to experience for yourself.